chocolate peanut butter rice cake recipe. If you're looking for a quick and satisfying treat that's crunchy, creamy, and chocolatey, this chocolate peanut butter rice cake is the perfect recipe. With just a few simple ingredients, you can whip up a no-bake snack that feels indulgent, but is incredibly easy to make. Ingredients: lightly salted rice cakes, peanut butter, smooth or crunchy, your choice, salted peanuts, chopped, 200 g milk chocolate, sea salt for sprinkling. Method: take a rice cake and spread peanut butter generously on both sides. Roll or dip the rice cake into chopped peanuts, making sure they stick well. Place the coated rice cake onto a lined tray and set it in the fridge or freezer until firm. Meanwhile, melt the milk chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water or in the microwave in short intervals. Once the rice cakes are set, dip each one into the melted chocolate, coating it evenly.
Take a rice cake, hold it tight, spread that peanut butter left and right. Smooth or crunchy, both will do. This little treat's made just for you. Chocolate dreams, peanut butter delight, crunchy little magic, every single bite. Dip it, chill it, let the flavor shake, singing sweet love to the rice cake. Yeah, rolling peanuts, make it shine onto the tray, it's looking fine. Fridge or freezer, let it rest, cold and ready for the next. Chocolate dreams, peanut butter delight, crunchy little magic, every single bite. You'll bite, dip it, chill it, let the flavor shake, singing sweet love to the rice cake. Yeah, melt the chocolate, smooth and warm. Wrap the rice cake in a chocolate storm. Back in the fridge till the shine comes through. Sprinkle sea salt like the stars do. Chocolate dreams, peanut butter delight, crunchy little magic, every single bite. You'll bite, simple steps, but a joy we make. Love is a chocolate peanut butter rice cake. Yeah.
Return them to the tray and refrigerate again until the chocolate hardens. Before serving, sprinkle with a little sea salt for the perfect sweet salty finish. Tip: you can also try dark chocolate or white chocolate for a twist, and even add a drizzle of caramel for extra indulgence. These chocolate peanut butter rice cakes are perfect for a quick snack, a post-workout treat, or even as a sweet bite with coffee.